Ready to finally own some Bitcoin without the headache? Let's dive into how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com using your Fiat wallet in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you have funds in your Fiat wallet. If you don't, tap on the Accounts button at the bottom. Then click Fiat Wallet and deposit your local currency, such as USD or EUR. Now that your Fiat wallet is funded, let's get some Bitcoin. Tap on the Trade button in the middle of the bottom navigation bar. This brings you to the Trade menu, where you can convert your fiat money into crypto. Select Buy. Now, search for Bitcoin or BTC and tap the Bitcoin icon to select it. On the next screen, you'll see your Fiat wallet balance. Enter the amount of fiat currency you want to use to purchase Bitcoin. Review the transaction details carefully. This screen shows the amount of Bitcoin you'll receive, the exchange rate, and any applicable fees. Then click Confirm. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased Bitcoin on Crypto.com using your Fiat wallet. Your Bitcoin is now safely stored in your Crypto.com wallet. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for extra security.